Welcome to kalyanias.com. In this session, first we will try to understand what is social impact bond. This is a bond that has been agreed between one municipal corporation in India and an international organization. Which is that municipal corporation and which is that international organization? Let's try to understand now. Then we'll be looking into the meaning of social impact bond. Now, let me open the document. Kindly have a look at this. Look at this now. With which of the following Pimpri Chinchwad Municipal Corporation signed a memorandum of understanding to create the first social impact bond of India? Social impact bond of India. Very, very, very important one. So, this is a municipal corporation that is in Pune, Maharashtra. And which is that organization? Niti Aayog, UNESCO, UNDP or World Bank? Answer is option C, UNDP. Please remember, this is very important. And UNDP stands for United Nations Development Program. Look at this. So, this Pimpri Chinchwad Municipal Corporation and UNDP, India signed a memorandum of understanding to create the first social impact bond of India. What is this? In fact, look at this. A social impact bond is also called pay for success bond or pay for success financing. A social impact bond is basically a contract with the public sector authority. It's a contract with public sector authority where it pays for better social outcomes. Very, 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 very important one. Meaning, this is a form of outcome based contracting. And this aims at improving the social outcomes for a specific group of citizens. Very, 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 very important. So this is a memorandum of understanding between PCMC and UNDP. And the social impact bond is also called pay for success bond or pay for success financing. Very, 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 very important. Next one,